What we're doing? Going to the Dollar Tree. There's my child. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Chel's Real Life. Now I decided to do a fall what's in the Dollar Tree for you guys, because I know some of you have not been to the Dollar Tree in a while, and I know that some of you may not have been to the Dollar Tree, period. So welcome to the Dollar Tree. You guys, Dollar Tree is my one-stop shop for so many things. They have so much, and it's only $1.25. $1.25. So welcome to Dollar Tree. This is fall edition. Now, this is some of the things that I noticed in the Dollar Tree that I visited near me that, oh my gosh, I was just like blown away at some of the things that they had. Their flower section is so bomb. Their flowers are getting a lot better than they used to be. Now, this is some Halloween stuff. I am a Christian, and I know that some Christians don't celebrate Halloween. I am not stringent, so yeah. I love Halloween. It is one of my favorite seasons, and yeah, you can still be a Christian and celebrate just dressing up and the fun of all the crazy. Plus, I got a little goth girl to me, you know? So I just like all that stuff. Now, here are some what do you call it? Sailor, I don't know. The if you're really into the beachy themed, ocean theme, I used to have an ocean themed bathroom, and you guys, some of these legit look Hobby Lobby-esque. Like, seriously, for $1, you could totally outdo your bathroom or bedroom or whatever room it is that has this beachy ocean theme. And I'm telling you, I absolutely love it. Look at that! Does that not look like Hobby Lobby? These little pillows are super cute, and they've gotten wood cutouts. They've got this anchor. I mean, how adorable would those be? So yeah, definitely check out the Dollar Tree for some of these items if you are doing this. Now, these little dogs and these little, I don't know, porcelain things, I think they had cats down there too. Those are super cute as well. They do not look like Dollar Tree. Here's some more Halloween stuff. Now, this stuff, this like witchcraft stuff, I don't be doing all this, but I just did this so you guys can see it. I did that for you guys. If you celebrate any of this, you know, the Day of the Dead, there you go. Here's some Halloween buckets, Halloween candy. They really have everything, and it's only $1.25. To me, it's a pretty good price point. And then I checked out these. I actually ended up purchasing these. Arden thinks that they're fine. I don't particularly care for them. I didn't get the Lance, but those are good too. I didn't particularly care for them, but you know, to each his own. These are super cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. The like grass stakes. Oh my gosh, how cute is the blue truck? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's absolutely the cutest thing I've ever seen. These little mini pumpkins. How cute are they? They're super adorable. Sorry, I get really excited because autumn, fall, it's my favorite season. Come on. So they've got these 10 decorations. How high class do they look? So HC is high class. You watch this channel, you know. Look at this, you guys. I've never seen these before. This is new. This is all new stuff. So you guys, look at the pumpkin. Look at the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. You can do so much with all of this decor. I mean, some pieces are great as they're on their own. Some pieces you can embellish, you can add to other pieces. The tins to me are just everything this year. I don't even think I've ever seen that in Dollar Tree before. So that's why when you see stuff, like as soon as this stuff comes out, like these cute little tins, you guys go pick it up. Here's some pumpkin scoops, and then they have the styrofoam pumpkins. They're pretty good size. You can do DIYs with those. And then just some more baskets for Halloween. Then these were so cute. This is for your kitchen for Halloween. I've never seen those before. Maybe they had them. And then isn't the cutest thing? How cute are they? The oven mitts. I just love it. So cute. And eyeballs for a party to throw in the punch for a Halloween party. Just super cute stuff. And again, yes, I'm a Christian, but yes, I celebrate Halloween. Wanted to show you guys the socks. Now, I know this is not autumn themed, okay? So excuse me for adding this in. But these socks are bomb diggity, and they had them at the front. So I was like, oh, I've gotten them for Arden. I've gotten them for myself. They do in a pinch if you're going to the gym and you forgot to wear socks. I've totally done that. So these are really, really great for something like that. And they have different colors, and some of them are 2-packs, some of them are 1. They even have 3-packs, but they only go up to a size 9. And your girl wears a size 10. I'm tall, you guys. I'm 5'10", so I wear a size 10. Don't judge my feet. These little mini backpacks are really thin and not flimsy for school wear, but I like to I have one, and I like to take it on my runs and, put a bottle of water or something like that. I really don't run. I don't even know why I'm saying run. On my walks around the neighborhood, or even to the gym. They're really good to just throw stuff in there. So, and then more socks. And then more bags. They have the cutest colors, right? So cute. They still have flip-flops, even though it's the end of summer, and they've got summer hats. So, we're still needing them here in Texas. I don't know about you guys in other parts of the world, but it is still hot as Hades in Texas. Here are some outdoor ghosts. I was really shocked at how huge these things are. These are super huge. And the guy at the front, the cashier, had decorated his cash register area with it, and it's so amazing. So, I mean, such good quality for like a Halloween party. That is super amazing. These are some books, just little kids books I decided to show you guys. It's Halloween, autumn, and then here are some flowers. The fleurs for autumn/fall are absolutely stunning, and I'm so surprised Dollar Tree is getting in a lot of flowers, or a lot of flower styles that are really great quality. They've kind of struggled with that in the past, but look at these. How pretty are they? And they're so realistic. Look at that. So realistic and so beautiful and so colorful, and a lot more full than before, I've noticed. So, yeah, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Here's some ribbon that's autumn themed and wire trimmed. Oh my gosh, you guys, these pumpkins are live. These pumpkins are life. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And the mauve pink pumpkin. That is so my color. It matches my room. I'm totally getting some. Yeah, this is like the $5 spot that I just was like, what do they have here? So you still got shoes over there. So here's some more autumn. Oh, you guys, this looks just like Hobby Lobby to me. Look at the doors. But look at the doors though. Are the doors not legit like Hobby Lobby? Oh my gosh. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening in these streets? This is the $5 spot. So some of these are $3. Some of these are $5. But I mean, look at that. Look at the wreaths. Look at the wreaths, you guys. Look at the mini signs. Is that not Hobby Up? And look at this. Little gnome like villages. Whole gnome villages. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I love the fall, and look at this. I mean, every single thing that I saw in this section is totally worth the $3 to $5 mark that they had it for. Some of these are $1, but a lot of them are about $3. Yeah, $5. Look at, and that legit was heavy. So heavy, and the cutest thing ever. I just, look at the pumpkins, the fabric pumpkins. Look at that one in the back. I had to show you guys because it's so different. I mean, it does not look like Dollar Tree. Nobody's going to go to your house and go, oh my gosh, she totally rated Dollar Tree, unless they watch my video. You guys can totally tell them about my video. The haunted sign. I mean, they have everything that you could do for a theme party, or even just for decor, for the outdoors, for the indoors, to make it fun. I like going from holiday to holiday. Life is so like crazy. It can be so crazy, and a lot of things can be really heavy. So So it's nice to have fun things like the holidays, to decorate, and to bring cheer into your home. Look at this boo sign. How cute is that? It is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. It was such fun filming this for you guys. I hope that this video inspires you to do something amazing for fall with some Dollar Tree finds. You guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below with your favorite season. Are we twinsies? I hope you know that God loves you so much, and I'm so thankful for you for watching. Have a blessed day and stay encouraged.